Understanding Affiliate Marketing, a guide for beginners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of affiliate marketing. This concept is not just a buzzword but a key player in the digital marketing world. Whether you're an aspiring marketer, a content creator, or just curious about how online marketing works, understanding affiliate marketing is essential. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. In simpler terms, it's like being a salesperson for another company's products or services. However, instead of working directly for the company, you promote their products through your website, blog, or social media channels. When someone buys the product using your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it creates a win-win situation for both the business and the affiliate. Businesses get more customers without spending on traditional advertising, while affiliates can earn money by promoting products they like or believe in. 1. The merchant, also known as the creator, seller, brand, or retailer. This is the entity that creates the product or service. They initiate the affiliate program to encourage affiliates to help sell their products. 2. The affiliate, sometimes referred to as the publisher. This can be an individual or a company that markets the merchant's products in an appealing way to potential customers. Affiliates use their skills in content creation, SEO, and social media marketing to drive traffic to their links. 3. The consumer, the most crucial component of the affiliate marketing ecosystem. Consumers are the ones who click on affiliate links and make purchases. Their actions are the ones that generate commissions for affiliates. 4. The affiliate network. While not always used, an affiliate network acts as an intermediary between the merchant and the affiliate. It provides a platform where affiliates can find products to promote and where merchants can offer their products to interested affiliates. The process of affiliate marketing can be broken down into simple steps. 1. An affiliate signs up for an affiliate program offered by a merchant or through an affiliate network. 2. The affiliate receives a unique link that tracks the traffic and customers they send to the merchant's site. 3. The affiliate promotes the products using this link through various marketing channels. 4. A consumer clicks on the affiliate's link and purchases the product or service. 5. The purchase is tracked back to the affiliate, who then receives a commission for the sale. Affiliate marketing offers a flexible and lucrative way for individuals and companies to earn income by promoting products they are passionate about. It benefits merchants by extending their marketing reach and affiliates by providing them with a source of income through their promotional efforts. We hope this video has shed some light on affiliate marketing and its potential benefits for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.